My name's Conagher Bluhm. I'm the primary chemical technician for ProfitMax Chemical, and I'm here to throw some information at you about the primary Sunburst Chemicals. This is Sentinel. This is the primary sanitizer, and it's the only sanitizer in the Sunburst lineup. This is your primary prevention chemical. Remember, soap cleans, sanitizer prevents. This stuff is what we'll use to prevent bugs, bacteria, and other stuff from moving in after you've cleaned up. This is Shamrock dish detergent. This is your primary dish soap. It's actually one of many different such products, but if you're running a 3-bin sink, this is likely the chemical you'll be using to clean your dishes. This is the Score solid degreaser. This is the primary degreaser used in the Sunburst lineup. Again, 3-bin sink, master blaster. This is what you're going to be using to clean up most of the time. Finally, this is the Biozyme drain cleaner. This is the drain treatment option used in all departments to keep your drains clean and fresh and not smelling weird. These are the primary chemicals that you will be using in most 3-bin sinks or food prep areas to keep your dishes clean, keep your department clean, and keep your drains clean. Yeah! My name's Conagher Bluhm. I'm the primary chemical technician with ProfitMax Chemical, and I'm happy to share this information with you.